Imagine a collision so powerful it dwarfs any explosion humanity has ever witnessed. A cataclysmic event that would forever alter the course of our planet's history.
Picture the moon, our celestial neighbor, smashing into Earth with the force of 1 billion nuclear bombs. The sheer magnitude of such an impact is almost beyond comprehension. This is the terrifying scenario we're diving into, a hypothetical yet chilling exploration of what would happen if the moon collided with Earth today. The consequences would be nothing short of apocalyptic. The energy released in such an impact would be incomprehensible, instantly reshaping our planet. Mountains would crumble, valleys would rise, and the very crust of the Earth would be torn asunder. Entire continents would be pulverized, reduced to mere fragments in the blink of an eye. Cities, forests, and landscapes that have stood for millennia would be obliterated. Oceans would vaporize into massive steam clouds, creating an atmosphere thick with steam and debris. The seas that have nurtured life for eons would vanish in an instant. The very air we breathe would become superheated, scorching the Earth's surface. Temperatures would soar to unimaginable levels, making survival impossible for any form of life. It's a doomsday scenario that thankfully resides firmly in the realm of science fiction, but it serves as a stark reminder of the awesome power at play in our universe. The forces that govern the cosmos are both awe-inspiring and terrifying. This thought experiment isn't about inciting panic, however. It's a way to appreciate the delicate balance that keeps our solar system in harmony. It's about understanding the delicate balance of our solar system and appreciating the forces that have shaped our planet over billions of years. The gravitational dance between celestial bodies is a testament to the intricate design of our universe. So buckle up as we journey through this catastrophic hypothetical, exploring the science behind the spectacle and pondering what it means for us, the inhabitants of this pale blue dot. We'll delve into the physics of such an event, the potential aftermath, and the lessons we can learn from contemplating such a cosmic catastrophe. Join us as we navigate the realms of possibility and marvel at the incredible dynamics of our universe.
For millennia, humans have gazed up at the moon in wonder. This celestial body has been a constant presence in our night sky, captivating the imaginations of people across different cultures and eras.
It's a source of light in the darkest nights, providing a gentle glow that has guided travelers and inspired poets. The moon has also served as a timekeeper for ancient civilizations, helping them to develop calendars and understand the passage of time. It has been the inspiration for countless myths and legends appearing in the folklore and art of cultures around the world. But the moon is more than just a pretty face in our night sky. Its influence extends far beyond its visual beauty. It plays a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt, which is essential for maintaining the balance of our planet. This stabilization gives us our stable climate and predictable seasons, allowing life to thrive in a relatively consistent environment. The moon's gravitational pull creates the ocean tides, a rhythmic ebb and flow that has shaped coastlines and influenced marine life for eons. These tides have not only sculpted our coastlines, but have also played a crucial role in the development of marine ecosystems. Many marine species have adapted to the tidal rhythms, relying on the changing tides for feeding, breeding, and shelter. The moon's presence also affects the length of our days, very slowly slowing down Earth's rotation over time. This gradual deceleration is a result of the gravitational interaction between Earth and the moon, a process that has been ongoing for billions of years. This celestial dance between Earth and moon is a delicate one, a balance honed over billions of years. The moon's orbit around Earth is a testament to the intricate gravitational forces at play. This balance has been crucial in shaping the history of our planet, influencing everything from geological formations to the evolution of life. But what if this delicate dance was disrupted? What if the gravitational forces that keep the moon in its orbit were altered? What if the celestial choreography went awry, sending the moon hurtling towards us instead of gracefully orbiting around us? Such a scenario, while highly unlikely, would have catastrophic consequences. The impact of the moon colliding with Earth would be devastating, causing massive destruction and altering the course of life on our planet. While the probability of such an event is astronomically low, the possibility itself forces us to confront the immense power of the cosmos and the potential consequences of disrupting its delicate balance. The universe is a vast and complex place, filled with wonders and dangers alike. Our understanding of it is still limited, but we continue to explore and learn. As we gaze up at the moon and the stars, we are reminded of our place in the cosmos and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. The moon, our celestial companion, is a constant reminder of the beauty and fragility of our universe.
Let's assume, for the sake of this thought experiment, that some cosmic anomaly does send the moon on a collision course with Earth.
The moment of impact would be nothing short of apocalyptic. The energy released would be equivalent to billions of nuclear weapons detonating simultaneously. Imagine a shockwave so powerful it circles the globe multiple times at supersonic speeds. Coastal regions would be the first to experience the devastating effects. Tsunamis, dwarfing any in recorded history, would rise from the oceans, towering hundreds if not thousands of feet in height. These monstrous waves would surge inland, swallowing entire cities and reshaping continents in their wake. Simultaneously, earthquakes of unimaginable magnitude would ripple across the planet, splitting open the Earth's crust and swallowing buildings whole. Volcanoes, dormant for centuries, would roar back to life, spewing molten lava and ash into the atmosphere. The very landmasses themselves would warp and buckle under the unimaginable stress, forever altering the geography of our planet.
Section 4. A world transformed.
In the immediate aftermath of the impact, the Earth would be unrecognizable. The planet's surface would be a hellscape of molten rock, superheated steam, and debris ejected from the impact zone. The atmosphere would be choked with dust and ash, blocking out the sun and plunging the Earth into an extended period of darkness. This darkness, coupled with the massive amounts of particulate matter in the upper atmosphere, would trigger a global impact winter. Temperatures would plummet, causing widespread crop failures and leading to a global food crisis. The delicate balance of ecosystems would collapse as entire species are wiped out practically overnight. The oceans, once teeming with life, would become acidic and largely uninhabitable due to the drastic changes in temperature and chemical composition. The beautiful blue planet we call home would be transformed into a desolate wasteland, a stark testament to the destructive power of cosmic events.
Section 5. The moon's delicate dance.
It's important to remember that the scenario we're discussing is highly unlikely. The moon, our constant companion in the night sky, has been orbiting Earth for billions of years. Its presence has shaped the tides, influenced the behavior of countless species, and even inspired myths and legends across cultures. The idea of it being knocked off its course is both fascinating and terrifying. The moon is currently locked in a stable orbit around Earth, held in place by a delicate balance of gravitational forces. This intricate dance between the Earth and the moon is a result of the gravitational pull that both bodies exert on each other. The moon's gravity affects the Earth, causing the tides, while the Earth's gravity keeps the moon in its orbit. To knock it off course would require an astronomical amount of energy, far beyond anything humanity is capable of producing. The forces needed to alter the moon's trajectory are immense, and any such event would be catastrophic on a scale that is hard to imagine. While it's true that the moon's orbit is slowly drifting away from Earth at a rate of about 1.5 inches per year, this process is incredibly gradual and will take billions of years to have any significant impact. This drift is a result of tidal forces between the Earth and the moon, which cause the moon to gain energy and slowly move away. Over such long timescales, the changes are almost imperceptible to us. However, they are a reminder of the dynamic nature of our solar system. The gradual drift of the moon is a natural part of its evolution and does not pose any immediate threat to our planet. The real threats to the moon's orbit, albeit still incredibly remote, come from external sources like rogue asteroids or gravitational interactions with other celestial bodies. These events, while rare, have the potential to cause significant disruptions. A large enough asteroid, perhaps one comparable in size to the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, could potentially disrupt the moon's orbit. Such an impact could send the moon on a collision course with Earth or flinging it out of our gravitational grasp altogether. The consequences of such an event would be devastating, not just for the moon, but for life on Earth as well. The moon moving towards Earth or being flung out into space would have catastrophic effects on our planet. The tides would be thrown into chaos, and the stability of Earth's rotation could be affected. the night sky, as we know it, would be forever changed. While these scenarios are statistically improbable, they highlight the ever-present potential for chaos in the vastness of space. The universe is a place of constant change and unpredictability, and while we can take comfort in the stability of the moon's orbit, we must also remain aware of the forces that could alter it. The delicate dance of the moon around Earth is a testament to the intricate balance of forces that govern our solar system. It serves as a reminder of the beauty and fragility of the cosmic order and the ever-present potential for change in the vast expanse of space.
Pause 3s. Section 6. The Aftermath and Rebirth. As we ponder the cataclysmic events that could unfold from a Moon-Earth collision, it's essential to consider the aftermath and the potential for rebirth. Following the immediate devastation, Earth would enter a period of profound transformation. In the wake of such a catastrophic event, the planet would undergo drastic changes. The initial impact would trigger massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions, reshaping the landscape. The atmosphere would be choked with debris, plunging the world into a prolonged darkness. Temperatures would plummet, leading to a dramatic shift in climate. However, life on Earth has shown remarkable resilience over billions of years. Just as it has recovered from past mass extinctions, there remains a glimmer of hope for renewal. The forces of nature, though destructive, also pave the way for new beginnings. Over time, the dust would settle and the skies would clear. The planet, now altered, would slowly heal. In this new world, life would adapt and evolve to the changed conditions. Ecosystems would gradually re-establish themselves, and new species would emerge, filling the niches left vacant by those that perished. Humanity, if it survives, would face the challenge of rebuilding civilization in a transformed environment. This scenario, while hypothetical, underscores the resilience of life and the interconnectedness of our existence with celestial events. It serves as a poignant reminder of the delicate balance that sustains us and the importance of understanding and protecting our cosmic neighborhood. In contemplating the potential for both catastrophe and renewal, we gain a deeper appreciation for our planet and the intricate dance of forces that shape our existence. The story of Earth and the Moon is a testament to the enduring spirit of life and the ever-present potential for rebirth in the face of adversity. As we draw our exploration to a close, let's turn our gaze towards the legacy humanity would leave in the wake of such a monumental event.
Imagine a world where the remnants of human civilization are scattered across a transformed landscape, a testament to our ingenuity, resilience, and determination.
In the face of unprecedented challenges, humanity has always found ways to adapt and innovate.
From the ashes of destruction, new societies could emerge, learning from the past and forging a path forward.
The spirit of collaboration and the drive to rebuild would become the cornerstone of our renewed existence.
But beyond mere survival, there lies the potential for profound growth.
This cataclysmic event could serve as a catalyst for humanity to unite, transcending borders and differences to work towards a common goal, the preservation and flourishing of life on Earth.
As we look back at the hypothetical collision and its aftermath, we are reminded of our place in the cosmos and the fragile beauty of our world.
This scenario, while speculative, invites us to reflect on our responsibilities as stewards of the planet and the legacy we wish to leave for future generations.
What do you think? Could humanity survive such a disaster, or are we doomed?
Share your thoughts in the comments below.
And if you're interested in learning more about celestial events and their impact on Earth, check out my next video on the fascinating world of meteor showers.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more mind-blowing content.